Hi everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I wanted to show you this Rooted in Nature stamp set and the die set. I'm going to show you guys 3 different cards and I'm going to make one with you. But this is the Rooted in Nature. Right now it is a bundle in this catalog, in the annual catalog. But the bundle price will go away when this catalog retires right at the end of May. So if you want to save 10% and get this bundle, now is the time to do that. So don't forget to check out the retiring list and make sure that you've picked up anything that you want to get that's retiring. I recently picked up One Wild Ride. It's a stamp set. It's Don Griffith's $1 million stamp set, and I just had to have it and it was retiring, so I made sure to pick it up. So I'm going to use this bundle and these dies, and what I did is I just pulled one sheet of designer paper. I really love this striped piece. Has some great colors in it, and then I like the tiny stripes. And then on this side is this design, but I go through all of my designer paper when we have a new catalog and I get rid of it, I cut it up, I give it away because I'm gonna get new designer paper. But I just had to use this one sheet because I loved it so much. So let's get started. I'm gonna start first with a piece of powder pink designer paper, and I'm actually using the colored cardstock to make the full card. So I'm doing, instead of doing Whisper White and doing a card front, I'm just doing a card base in this color, and it might come out a little orangey on film, but it's actually a really pretty pink. It's petal pink. I think I might have said powder pink, but it's petal pink. Powder pink is actually retiring. Okay, so then what I've done is I've taken a piece of soft suede and I've cut a 1/4 inch off so that I have a little bit of border. Then I'm going to take a piece of this striped paper and I'm going to take 1 inch off. So this one will be 3 3/4 by 5 because I want it to layer on this soft suede piece. And I'm going to show you one that I did where I did not use the soft suede layer. And then I'll let you guys tell me which one you like better. So these 2 pieces can just be attached. And then let me zoom you guys in so you can see the stamping and see what we're going to do next. Okay, so next I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and this is 2 inches, and then it is by, I think, 4.5. So 2.5 by 4.5. I'm glad I measured that for you guys. So now what I want to do is my stamping. So now we're going to grab our shaded spruce and we're going to grab our tree image, this one. And what we're going to do is ink it up once and then we're going to stamp twice. So we're going to stamp once here, just like this. Then we're going to lift up, we're going to move up a little bit, and then we're going to stamp again. Just like that. So you have 2 different colors and a little bit of depth in there. So then we can close this up. We're going to need some black ink. And I have a piece of mint macaroon, and I think I might have prepped this wrong. I think I might have made it too short. I'm just taking my banner punch and I'm going to put a banner on the end of this, and I just flip it over just like that. And then I want to be able to stamp "You Are Wonderful." Oh, it'll work. Okay, so let me show you now. Let's see. We can put this on here. These are really simple layers. So let's put our white piece on here. And we'll just line it up right here like this. And then my mint macaroon piece, I want to go down here like so. And so I want to stamp my sentiment, which I want this to say "You Are Wonderful." My favorite part about this stamp set is "You Are," like the "You Are Wonderful," like the sentiments in here I really love. This, oh, that didn't stamp very good, you guys. Let's turn it over and try again. This stamp set is going to be a great replacement for Lovely as a Tree because Lovely as a Tree has finally retired. It has been in our catalog the longest, And I always wonder every year, a friend and I kind of have a bet as to whether or not it will retire or if it will stay. And this year it has finally retired. So I will keep that one forever. You guys know I usually just get rid of the stamps that retire, but that one I have to keep because I love it. But this one, Nature's Roots, are the dies, and then the stamp set is Rooted in Nature. I think it's going to be a great replacement for that. Okay, so we attached our sentiment, and now what I want to do is just add a little bit of foam. I have these really large foam squares I'm trying to get used up. These were actually, they're not even crafty items. They came in like one of those like hook things, you know, the command hook type things, and I don't use those sticky parts with it. I use something else with those, so you got to repurpose those items, right? Okay, so we're taking all of these off. Oh, you guys, you know what I did? I forgot one piece. I'm gonna have to see if I can. Yeah, we should be able to fix that. Okay, so now I want to take this piece. This is what I forgot to do, and we're gonna take soft suede and a piece of Whisper White cardstock. Okay, so now what I'll do is just add some adhesive to the back of this, and I'm gonna have to do a little bit of card surgery here and lift this up because I want this piece tucked under here, just like that. So let me show you the other two cards that I made with this set. First, here is the one that we just made. I just stepped it up a little bit by adding this soft suede right here, this next layer. So I would love to know which one you guys like better, if you like the one with the soft suede border here, or if you just like it without. I think those came out great. And then here are the other two cards I made. So by just using that one piece of designer paper, I added this is the back side. So we have the stripes on one side, and then we have the this design on this side. So I just used one piece of that designer paper to get this look. And then I did this one, and this one actually opens this way. So we have these three. And then this is the same there, just with an added piece of paper. So I hope you enjoyed seeing these cards done with the Rooted in Nature stamp set and the dies. And I would love to know if you guys have this set and if you like it. And I'd also like to know if you guys are sad that Lovely as a Tree is retiring and if you have it or not. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll be back again to craft with you later this week. Have a great day, guys. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.